If you are creating an ebook or some sort of PDF to sell online, let me show you how to take your PDFs from boring to engaging by creating a flipbook. Hey friends, it's Tisha. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, I'm here to teach you the tools that help you monetize online. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use Flip HTML to turn your boring PDFs into a flipbook. Let's get into it. Flip HTML5 is an online flipbook maker. You can convert your PDFs, PowerPoints, and JPEG files into digital flipbooks, making them more engaging for your audience. To get started with Flip HTML5, all you need is a valid email address. You can sign up for absolutely free. There's no credit card required. You get access to 5 flipbooks per day, plus 6 pre-designed layouts, and you can easily share or embed your digital flipbooks. Now, I am going to show you some features that are going to help you enhance your content. In order to get access to those features, you will need to upgrade to the Platinum plan. If you only want to pay monthly, it is $35 per month. If you want to pay yearly and save a little bit of coin, it is $299 annually, and it averages out to about $25 per month. I will leave a link and a discount code for you in the description to sign up with Flip HTML5. Once you sign up for your account, it's going to bring you to your dashboard. Here on the main page, you have several ways that you can create your PDF with Flip. You can upload a file. If you have multiple PDFs, you can do a batch upload. You can create one from scratch, and you can also create a chattable book using an AI chatbot. This next area is their template library. You can browse through the library if you want to just get some ideas. If you scroll a little bit further, once you have created your PDF with Flip, you will see your publications here. Okay, if you go over here to the left, this is your home button, which is going to bring you back to your dashboard. You have a project area, so this is where all of your projects will be housed. Your brand area, so if you want to add a custom domain or your logo, you can upload that information here. Sales, you will be able to see your sales because with the Flip HTML platform, you can monetize your PDFs and sell them directly from the platform. If you choose to do so, you will need to make sure you go to payment settings and connect your Stripe account so you're able to receive payments. And then your statistics area is basically just going to show you your analytics. All right, so let's go back to the dashboard. So let's go ahead and upload a PDF to customize. So you want to go here and select upload file, and you can upload directly from your computer, or you can add from Google Drive, a Dropbox, or a URL. So now that it's uploaded, the first step is for us to customize or edit some of the book information, starting with the book title. If you want to change your title, you can do that under the title option. Under the description, if you want to include a description, you can do that as well. For the label section, these different labels will appear once you start adding different PDFs to your dashboard. Okay, this next area, you can add keywords and tags. This will allow your digital flipbook to be found in search engines like Google. Okay, next let's actually customize our digital flipbook. You want to go to the next section of the menu and select customize, and you have a few options here. First are your general settings. You can toggle on or off anything that you don't want to use. If you want to toggle on the previous or next shortcut buttons on mobile, you can turn that on as well. It's really up to you. And any changes that you make is going to automatically load over here on the right hand panel. You have the option to turn off or leave on the flipping page sound. So that's something you want. You can include that. So let me just show you what that sounds like really quickly. And that's what it is. Okay, next up is Google Analytics. You can add Google Analytics to track your analytical data for your digital flipbook. Next is your logo settings. You can add a logo by uploading an image, or if you have a URL to your logo, you can paste it here. If you have a fave icon, you can add that as well. The next thing I want to show you is the background setting, and this is the gray area that you see right now. You can change this to a solid color, or you can make create a gradient color by adding two separate colors. To change the color, you just want to click on the color box and you can type in your hex code. You can use the little eye here and just scroll until you get to a color that you want. You can also use the eyedropper to select a color that you may want to use. Once you have your color, you want to hit OK, and it's going to change that color. So right now we have two separate colors, so you kind of see the gradient in the background. If you want to add an image to the background instead of having a solid color or a gradient, you can do so by uploading your image here, and then these options are for that image. Okay, this next option I want to show you is called the dynamic effect. This is a way for you to animate your background. You'll just click on the drop down menu and it has several options that you can choose from. They have leaves falling. You can take a look at how that looks. That'd be great for something that's in the fall, or if you want something that's a little bit more minimum, you can choose the spaceship option, or you can just leave it off by selecting none. It's up to you. Next, let's get into our page flip settings. So click on that icon and you can actually change the different modes of how your digital book flips. So the first option, you can choose like a slideshow and it slides versus flipping. It's up to you how you want that to animate your pages. You also have the option to change the flip mode on mobile. So if you want it to be a little bit different than it is on desktop, you can do that. You can change the flip direction. Currently it is on horizontal. If you want it to be on vertical, you can change that. I want to show you how that looks. So it just flips it up. You have a few more page flip settings that you can turn off and on if you scroll a little bit down. You can use your mouse to drag the corners. So you can do it like this instead of using the navigation arrows. You can turn that on and off. So basically you can customize your digital flipbook to how you want it to be. One other thing that I want to show you under the flip settings is the flip page time. Right now it's set at 0.03. If you wanted to slow it down, you would need to increase the time. Let me show you. So it's a little bit slower. If you want it to be faster, then you simply decrease the time. That's how that works. You also have the option to add a chatbot to your digital flipbook. If you want to turn that on, you can simply just click add your chatbot icon and you can add that. This next option I think is very important is the accessibility settings. You want to toggle that on, and this helps with any of your customers who may have some sort of vision impairment be able to consume your content and interact with it. So next, if we go over back to our left hand menu and click on themes, you have different layouts that you can choose from, and what these layouts do, they change your toolbar setting that is here on the bottom. So let me choose a different one so you can see the difference. Now we have some circular buttons, and again, this is just simply something that you can personalize to your own settings. If you decide to change your layout and you want to customize your toolbar some more, you want to go back to the design option, scroll down to the toolbar settings, and under the appearance setting, you can change the colors and how your buttons look. Okay, menu options that you have, and then we're going to move into the page editor. Under the share option, this is how you actually would share your digital book. You can use your link. If you want to embed it directly into your website, you want to go over here and select embed, and you want to copy this code. I recommend making sure that you keep it on responsive, so no matter which device your customers use, it will make it easy for them to view your digital flipbook. The next option I want to show you is the monetize option. You have a few ways that you can monetize your digital flipbook. You can have ad banners or have Google AdSense. Think of this like a blog. If you visit a blog and they have ads on their blog, this is where you can do that with your digital flipbook. You also have the option to do digital sales. You can leave it for free and only your customers can access it. If you do want to sell through the Flip HTML5 platform, you will need to make sure that you connect your Stripe account. Okay, the next important option that you want to make sure you visit is the visibility, and this is how you want your digital flipbook to be accessed. You can leave it public, which means anybody can search and access your flipbook. You can make it private. You can make it private with a password, or have someone have email verification. Those are your different options. So if you sell through a separate platform, you can give them a password or have them verify with their email in order to access your digital flipbook. And then statistics statistics is basically your analytics area. Now, once you have finished customizing your digital book, you can share it as is, but I do want to show you how you can also edit it. With this platform, I want you to think about customizing and editing as two different tasks. So we just finished customizing. Now let me show you how you can edit it. To access the page editor, you want to go here and select page editor, and it's going to open up the page editor. So from the page editor, you can edit each individual page of your book. You have some templates areas. If you want to add some additional pages, you can do that by browsing their template library. You can add a blank page. Their elements are all of their design elements, which includes shapes, buttons, graphics, icons, charts, you name it. You can add those to your PDF. So these next couple of features that I want to show you are only available in the Platinum plan. So if you want to use these features, you will need to upgrade. Okay. When you get ready to add one of these design elements, you just want to make sure that you are on the page that you want that particular element to go. So first, let's select a button. You can add a button and you can place it anywhere on your page. You can make it bigger or smaller. The toolbar to edit this is over here on the right hand side. You can change the icon. If you scroll down some more, you can change the brand colors. You can also change your call to action. Once you've made your edits, you can go over here to the action toolbar and you can select which action, once they click on this button, where it's going to take them. I think this is a great option if you have some sort of webinar or coaching one-on-one or course that you want them to sign up for. You can add that link and embed it directly into your PDF. All you need to do is click on link, and then you want to paste your link here. Once you paste your link, you want to go to the top and hit save, and now your button is embedded with your sign up link. The next thing I want to show you is how to add a regular link without a button. I think this is also a great way to enhance your PDFs. And then I want to scroll down to the page that I want to link. So let's say if you have some sort of an affiliate that you want to link in your PDFs, you can do that with this platform. So you can select links, this little gray box. So hopefully you guys can see it on the computer that I'm moving it around. You just want to use that to highlight the word that you want to use or the area that you want to link. You want to paste your links, your affiliate. This can be an Amazon affiliate, any type of affiliates. I think this is a great option to place it into your PDF. In the same way like we did with the sign up button, you add the link and then go to the top and hit save. And now you have links embedded into your PDF. A few more options that I want to show you. One is the video option. So first, let's add a blank page just so I can show you guys how this would work. So you click on the video icon. You have several ways that you can embed your video into your PDF. You can use your YouTube link, your Vimeo link. If you have an embed code or a video link URL, you can use one of these options. You can click on mine and it will allow you to upload a video. I already have one uploaded, so I want to add that here. And once it's added, you can move it around to any area of the PDF page that you want. You can make it bigger or smaller. It's up to you. Over here on the right hand side, you have some settings that you may want to take a look at. You can have it play when someone clicks the button. You can have it play once they turn onto the page. It's up to you. This is a great option if you have some sort of video demo that you want to add that goes along with the topic of your PDF. A few other options here are you can add some text. You can also add images. You have access to Pixel and Pixabay, and you can also add GIFs. The last option that I want to show you, what I think is a great use for enhancing your PDF, is by adding audio. And this can be any type of audio that you want to add. This can be helpful if you're selling some type of wellness guide. You can create an audio for guided meditation and embed that directly into your PDF. Once you are done with editing your PDF, you want to make sure that you hit save. And then if you want to take a preview and see how it looks, you just simply click on the preview icon and it's going to show you your flipbook. So let's start from the beginning. So this is how it looks. And you can flip through your different pages. You see our button is hyperlinked. Okay, our page where we added our video. You see we linked our affiliate link here. So there's just different ways that you can make your PDFs more engaging for your customers, and also as a way for you to monetize even more. And then once you are ready, you want to hit exit to get back to your dashboard. You want to click this menu, select back to dashboard. Here's where your PDF will be housed. And then to find your link again, you just want to click on share, and it gives you your options of how you can share your digital flipbook. Okay friends, so hopefully this gave you some ideas on how you can use Flip HTML5 to enhance your PDFs. No more boring PDFs. Let me know in the comments which of these features that you want to use to help make your PDF more engaging. If you guys have any questions, you can leave those down in the comment as well. As always friends, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.